Hi, I'm Wendy. I'm your Pampered Chef consultant. I just started selling Pampered Chef in the last month and just decided to do it to make a little extra money, and also because I love Pampered Chef and I have so many of their products. I thought, why not sell something that I really love and use all the time? I am not the chef in the family. My husband is the cook, and so I am learning new recipes. Pampered Chef makes it simple to cook. Their recipes are step by step. They tell you exactly which tools you need, what supplies you need, and makes cooking seamless and simple. A few of my favorite products that I would like to show you are going to be the knife set, and you can see that the cooking shears fit right inside the knife block. And then one of my very favorites is this rock crock. This rock crock can go from stove to oven to microwave. It even can go on the grill. It can go in the refrigerator. And then when you're finished with it, it can go in the dishwasher. So it's very versatile. And yes, you heard me. Think of your cooking stones, and this one is dishwasher safe. So that to me is amazing. One of my other favorites is the tool turnabout. It has all of my gadgets in one easy to find place, and a spoon rest so that as I'm cooking, I can use the spoon rest. And then I have these wonderful salad claws to toss a salad. One of my hobbies is gardening, and so frequently I will go out in the garden, grab some lettuce, grab a few peppers, grab a couple tomatoes, and we'll just have a salad straight from the garden. And so all those gardening tools that help with cooking are amazing. If you have any questions, please either Facebook Messenger me or you can put it in the chat during the party. I really hope to help you understand Pampered Chef and help find some gadgets and tools that will make cooking easier and to simplify your life.